Bonasiwa, good morning. I am Rowena Balbastro Bacungan. I am 45 years old. I live at Pasay City, Philippines. I am married. I have 3 children. I am Bachelor of Science in Nursing undergraduate, but certified caregiver, test the holder passer. My working experience in the United Arab Emirates for almost 10 years. As a general cleaner or housekeeper and a nanny for 4 children. I enjoy taking care of them for almost 10 years. And as a nanny, I am patient, trustworthy, loving, and caring for them. I can do meals, nutrition's meal for the children. I feed them, I dress them, and change diaper. I started in the morning at 5 a.m. in the morning. I check the room with the babies and checking them if they are sweat diaper. If I need to change, I change them, and the dress. So while the employer still sleeping, I take it outside the room, the baby. So I play with them, singing, dancing, feed them, giving soft food like fruits, soft vegetables. After that, past afternoon, 4 p.m. in the afternoon or 5, I play them outside in the playground. So they have a fresh air, sightseeing, so that the babies didn't bored. And as a helper or a nanny, I prepare the nutritious but delicious authentic food like Arabic, biryani, mutton, fish, beef, or anything that main dish that the employer asking me to do, like pasta. I can do bread, pastries, croissant, and other breads. And sweets and pastry, I prepare them all. So when they come back at 3 p.m., all served, the lunch all served, so that they will have a comfortable meals. And I make sure that the safe is comfortable and clean and tidy all the rooms. And ironing, washing, cleaning. So I started after noon if my employers came back. So I started to ironing and other stuff that I can do, checking the grocery if needed something to buy. So I informed them, Mom, we need to buy this one. So I informed them. If the baby is not comfortable, I check them. I'll check the temperature. If I saw the baby is not feeling well, I inform the employers that the babies need to take medicines or need to check the doctor. So I informed them. I didn't give a medicine without permission of the employer. And that's all, Mom. I'm looking forward to work with you, and in God's will, we will see each other. And thank you for the opportunity to showcase my skills and knowledge. Thank you.